Hi guys, today we're making shrimp in mayo. Mm. Let's get started. So I'm using 200 grams of shrimp, cleaned and deveined shrimps, okay? And then these are the seasoning I will be using. You can use any of your favorite seasoning, and always remember that when seasoning your shrimp, you want to do that very lightly because shrimp can easily get over salty, like you can easily overdo everything, okay? So guys, now I'm just mixing this together, and you can leave this to sit aside or you can fry it immediately just the way I did. On a medium heat, you want to heat up your skillet and then add in a little bit of butter. You can also swap this butter for oil and then go in with our already seasoned shrimp, and then I'm just going to stir fry this till it dries out. So now I'm just adding in some hot habanero pepper and garlic and ginger paste. I added a little bit of chicken seasoning, and I will just keep stir frying this till there are no liquids. At this point guys, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and this lemon juice is just going to help this curdle more and remain juicy. It's going to keep the shrimp juicy, and that is just it. So now we can move on to rolling. So guys, for the mayonnaise, this is the one I will be using, and in a deep bowl I'm going to scoop out some of that mayonnaise, and then to that I will be adding 1 teaspoon of sugar and a teaspoon of lemon juice. I'll give this a rough mix just until the sugar granules are dissolved, and then I would add in the shrimps, the cooked shrimps. So guys, we already spiced this shrimp, so we're not going to be adding any more seasoning to this. This is just what we're going to be rolling, okay? And this is how creamy you want it to be. If your mayonnaise wasn't enough, add more. There's never too much. So guys, this is the wrap I'll be using today, and I made this wrap earlier, like 6 hours ago, and look at how fresh and soft it still looks. I just wrapped it in this towel to keep it moist, but guys, my samosa wrap video is unbeatable. You need to check it out, okay? The link is in the description box below. So now let's make the sealing flour for our samosa wrap, and this is just equal parts water and flour, and I'm just mixing this together to get this consistency, and would set that aside. So guys, to roll, you just want to take one of your wrap and then scoop out a generous amount of shrimp. You do not want to over scoop this, if not, because of how uneven the shrimps are, it may burst open from one corner, okay? So be cautious about that. So after the first fold, I will be using that sealing glue we made to rub around the edges of my dough, and then I will be tucking in the 2 sides just the same way you do for your vegetable spring roll, and then roll this over till you get to the end. Now this is exactly what sorry. So this is what you want to achieve, guys. You want to be sure that you tuck in the sides properly so they don't burst open when you're frying them. So be sure of that. So guys, I'm going to roll the rest of the shrimp rolls with the filling I have, and then we're going to move on to frying. So guys, remember that my wrapper are freezable, okay? So you can freeze them like this if that's what you want, or you can fry them like I'm doing. This recipe gave me 9 shrimp in mayo, and I'm going to be deep frying. You want your oil to be hot enough before you throw them in. You want to see it bubbling and sizzling like this. And you want to fry them till they are golden brown like this. Then transfer them to a cooling rack or a sieve so that they can drip off excessive oil. At this point, I'm going to be frying the second batch of shrimp in mayo I have, and if you're still watching, you're the real MVP. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends and family. So now I'm just done with the second half. Guys, look at how pretty this looks. Ah, so beautiful. So guys, this is how I served mine up with some homemade dip sauce, and these are the ones I'll be freezing as they are to fry later. See you in my next video. Bye.